Before going deeply into the determinants, let us see the properties of determinants. Property 1. The value of determinant is unchanged if the rows or columns are altered. See, that is when you, let us take an example. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. What they are telling is, if you change this row into a column, A1, A2, as if you change this as A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. If you change this row and column into row, then also the value will not be changed. Proof. We are going to see about the proof. Let us take this A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Let us take it as delta. You see, when we are going to expand delta by row, see, take A1 into B2, B3, C2, C3, minus of A2 into B1, B3, C1, C3, plus A3 of determinant B1, B2, C1 and C2. We are going to expand it, equal to B3 into C2 minus of B2 into C3. Okay, B2 into C3 minus of B3 into C2. A1 into B2, B3 minus B3, C2 and minus A2 into B1, C3 minus B3, C1 plus A3 into B1, C2 minus B2, C1. Multiply all A1, A2, A3 along their brackets. A1, B2, B3 minus A1, C2, B3 minus A2, B1, C3 minus minus of minus plus A1, B3, C1 plus A3, B1, C2 minus A3, B2, C1. This is the answer value of the LHS. We are going to expand RHS. What is RHS? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Expand it. We are going to expand this. We take it as delta 1. A1, we are going to expand this determinant in wise of rows. A1 into determinant of B2, C2, B3, C3 minus B1 of A2, C2, A3, C3 plus C1 of determinant A2, B2, A3, B3. Then multiply this determinant A1 into B2, C3 minus C2, B3 minus B1 of A2, C3 minus C2, A3 plus C1 of A2, B3 minus B2, A3. Multiply A, B and C of their brackets respectively. A1, B2, C3 minus A1 B3 C2 minus A2 B1 C3 minus A3 B1 C2 plus A2 B3 C1 minus A3 B2 C1. This is the value of RHS. Now see, LHS is equal to RHS. This is the property 1. This LHS is equal to RHS. This is the property 1.